Y'all, this is the first time that I'm talking to you. And, oh my gosh. I usually do pretty good. Sorry, I'm backing out of a spot at Target. I usually do pretty good when I go into Target. I usually get exactly what I need. Maybe one thing that I don't. And turn around and get out. I was a victim of the Target bug this time. Like bad. Like really bad. And my husband's gonna be really, really, really mad. Let me see if I can, there it is. Yeah, my husband's going to be so mad at me. I got a whole new like sheet set and comforter and quilt and pillow from Casaluna. But I've been wanting it for a really long time. I guess, I mean, I held on this long. It's been like a year that I've been wanting it, and I found it, and I was like, I'm just gonna do it. I'm so sorry, honey. If you're watching this, I don't think he does, but no, if he doesn't watch it, don't tell him how much it is, because he really will kill me then. Hold on, let me pull out of this spot here. Oh my God, I have buyer's remorse really bad right now, but what can you do? Absolutely nothing, because I'm keeping it. I've wanted it that long, it's going to the house with me. I cannot believe I just did that. It's cute in my defense. It is really cute. And it would look really good on our bed. Oh my God, I cannot believe I just done that. Y'all. Why did y'all let me do that? I came up here for groceries and I walked out of Target with a whole new bed set. A whole new bed set. All Casaluna. Every bit of it. He's gonna be so mad. I can't believe I just done that. Oh my God. Okay, so I made it in and out of Trader Joe's pretty fast. I got everything that we needed for the next couple of weeks. My husband Briar is going back doing keto. He done it a couple years ago and really enjoyed it and had really good results from it. And he done it the right way. You know, I know it's not the best, but he didn't do it for a very long time. He just done it. He done it for a while and then he went off of it. So he knows all about it. He's done a lot of research. He's done it before. He's super healthy. So I don't need any slack towards that. But I did get everything that we needed. Mainly a lot of meat and veggies and things. Still really having bad buyer's remorse about my Target purchase of the day, and he called me and asked me if I was doing okay, and I did not even mention it. So I'm just gonna go home, put it on the bed, see if he notices. He probably won't. He probably will think that I just got it out of, I'll have a tote full of like bed stuff, I guess. So he'll probably think that I just got it out of there. And I'm gonna let him think that for right now, because he's gonna get so mad and I feel bad, but it's fine. I paid for it and he's just not gonna understand why I bought it. But oh, anyways, I am waiting in the parking lot of Chipotle to pick up my order through the drive-thru, and then I'm headed back home. Hopefully I don't hit any traffic or anything, because I'm ready to go home. I'm ready to eat. I don't want to eat here. I'd rather eat at the house. I need to get home and let my babies out. I'm sure they're very mad. I need to get started on some work. Oh my goodness. I've got so much to do, and I just like avoided all of it to come here today. I just needed out of the house. And it's been a while. We did go eat the other day, on Saturday. Or Was it Saturday? No, it was Sunday. We went Sunday to eat, and we went to the bookstore, went to TJ Maxx, kind of walked around, but I was craving that alone time outside of the house. Like, I get the alone time at the house because, for those of you that don't know, I was a nurse for 2.5 years. I worked in PACU at a local hospital, and I loved it. Loved the job, loved the people, but my mental health really took a hit. So I took a step back, and then about that time, my dad started needing some more assistance. So I thought that was the perfect time for me to leave. So I left, and now I am a stay-at-home wife / dog mom / social media person. I run social media accounts for my husband's business and then my sister-in-law's business as well. And I started YouTube. I don't make any money or anything off of that. I just do it for fun. I do my own YouTube. I've started a blog. I'll leave that in the description. And I'm just turned into like this little homemaker and doing social media stuff, and I really enjoy it. So I do have my license still. I'm going to keep my license active forever, probably. I just don't know if I'll go back or not, because I just love where I'm at in life. And I'm available to help my mom now. It's just me, my mom, and my nephew, because my sister did pass away in April of 2018, and then my dad obviously just passed away this year in January. So my mom is kind of on her own and will need some help. So it's probably better that I stay out of work for right now anyways. Those guys probably like, what is she doing? So yeah, that's how I'm able to go to the grocery store in Chattanooga, an hour away from where we live all the time. How I'm at home cleaning all the time, and how my house is clean, which is not clean right now because obviously I've been really upset about my dad's passing. And it's brought up some really bad emotional memories of when my sister passed. So I'm having a pretty difficult time, and I just needed to get out of the house.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll, yeah. I got you, I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out.
Good morning, everybody. It has been a little bit since I've talked to you. I think the last time that I talked to you was when I went to Target and Trader Joe's, and I usually go every other week, just so I can get what we'll need for the week and it won't go bad, blah, blah, blah. So today we're going back, and Briar has decided to start keto again. So I planned out some meals ahead of time and made a grocery list, and I'll also have my nephew all week, so I'll have to get some stuff for him. And it is Dr. Seuss week, so we are going to make a special treat for his class. I think I'm going to do little cupcakes, like the zoo cupcakes. So that'll be fun. And then also got to get me some stuff. I am starting to work out. I'm very new at it, so that's why I haven't filmed anything. But I am not on any kind of restriction, because I want to maintain my weight and just build muscle. So I'm just adding a little more protein to my diet. So I gotta get me some stuff, and I think we need some paper towels and things like that. So I'm going to take y'all with me. I do still get super nervous when it comes to filming in these places, so I did not bring my GoPro. I actually haven't charged my GoPro in a while. I've been using my phone, so I might try to film a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. But you know, the usual, gotta drive about an hour up there. I always go to Target first and then Trader Joe's. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to run back inside and get my reusable bags, because I forgot those. Got 'em. That would have been very unfortunate. Okay, so let's go to Chattanooga. I made it back home. It is 12:08. I think I left at like 7 something. I'll have to look back and see, but I didn't end up filming. I went to a bunch of different grocery stores. Target, Trader Joe's, like I usually do, and then on the way back in, I stopped to get a couple things that, like milk and stuff, that I didn't want to get up there because I didn't want it to be bad sit in my car. So I stopped at a local grocery store called Bruce's, and then I also went to Walmart. And while I was in Walmart, I ended up having a panic attack, basically, an anxiety attack. I was overstimulated. I've been to a lot of places today with a lot of people, and I am very introverted now. In my older age, I do struggle with anxiety and depression and panic disorder. I do take a medication for this, but sometimes still, like when I'm around a bunch of people in a day, I still have the attacks. Okay, made it inside. I did leave a few things in the back of my car. I left the toilet paper, the paper towels, and then 2 things of drinks, just because I carried everything in and I'm tired. Let's see if I can. So I'm gonna leave that for my husband to get when he gets home. My dogs are the nosiest. They always stick their heads into the bags. Okay, so I'm just gonna start pulling things out of bags. I'm gonna start with Target first, I guess. So Target, I'm just gonna set it up here, move things around. I like this a little easier than setting it all out and then going around and showing you, because I can do it all at once. So Dr. Seuss week is this coming week at my nephew's school, and he's gonna be staying with us this week. So I had to get some things for that. So I got the baking cups, the little cupcake baking cups, because I'm making Dr. Seuss cupcakes. And then he doesn't have his own like silverware and plates and bowls and stuff for when he's here, so I went ahead and got him some. These are just the Pillow Fort kids bowls and plates. So I just got the set, and I also got some kids silverware somewhere down in there too. And then I got some storage quart slider bags for his lunches and stuff. Mac. I got Briar 2 of these Celsius. If you hear something rumbling, it's literally my dogs. I got him 2 of these Celsius energy drinks. These are the sparkling Fuji apple pear, because he drinks energy drinks like every day. He'll drink like one a day usually. I got me some of the Smart Food White Cheddar popcorn because it's my favorite. Here's the kids silverware Pillow Fort, same brand. I just thought it'd be good to have his own, so it's the perfect size for him. Then I got me this cute cup. I don't need another cup. I have, let me grab this right here. I have a Hydro jug for my water. This thing is huge, like compared to this. I know it doesn't look like much of a difference, but I thought this would be good for like my soft drinks and things like that. So I did, well, I didn't buy it, my husband did, but I did get this too. Just a little splurgy splurge. It wasn't really that expensive. I think it was like maybe $14 or something. It's 32 ounces with a straw. I thought that was great. And then also got this whiteboard to kind of set up against the fridge because it does have magnets on it. I forgot to get magnets. I did get this to set up so we can start showing our meals for the week. I also got black cheap towel for the dogs for their baths, and got the Native body wash for me in the coconut and vanilla scent. Matt, get out of that. I think I said earlier in the video that Briar is going keto. So I got him this Kashi cinnamon vanilla protein cereal thing. It's keto friendly, so I got him that. I got packed some Quaker Oats dinosaur egg brown sugar oatmeal. Thought that would be good. These are Funfetti mix for cupcakes for Dr. Seuss. I got keto pancake mix for Brian because he loves pancakes. I got Spanish style rice for Pax because he loves that. Old Bay seasoning. Let's see. Oh goodness. I think this is the last thing I got from Target, and it's just the mini Eggo frozen pancakes. I think I'm forgetting something though. I guess not. Okay. Pause. I'll be right back with the next store. I guess we'll do Trader Joe's next. Okay, now Trader Joe's. And I take my reusable bags to Trader Joe's. I usually forget when I go in Target, and then I didn't have any extras when I went into Bruce's and Walmart. So I got some more sourdough, my favorite bread. And then I got Pax. He's my nephew. He's 5 for context. Don't know if I said that earlier. Some white bread for toast and stuff. Will y'all quit? I swear. Baking powder. I got 1 green bell pepper. I'm gonna do Philly cheesesteaks one night. Got 2 things of beef broth. for a recipe. Most of this stuff from Trader Joe's is for recipes. Alfredo sauce, cherry tomatoes, almond flour. I'm gonna make Briar some keto blueberry muffins to take in the mornings to work. And then there's the taco mix. Trader Joe's has the best taco mix. I don't know what it is about that taco mix I love so much about it. And then some toasted sesame oil. In the next bag, we got baby spinach for me. And we got baby lettuce mix and chopped romaine lettuce for Brian. I got a bunch of peppers for different meals. Some cauliflower rice. Got some mushrooms. These are the sliced Baby Bella mushrooms. I got some organic sliced apples. I love these. Pax loves these. That's like a really good snack. I got some more carrots. Briar loves these things, especially now that he's on keto. This is a salami and provolone cheese little snack packs. I already have some of these in the fridge stocked up, but I thought I would go ahead and get some more. I think something is leaked in here. Some diced yellow onions. Hate cutting onions. I will forever buy these now that I know that they exist. I got some Mexican style shredded cheese. Gruyere cheese. I don't know if that's how you say it. 2 things of mozzarella cheese. I got some sliced American cheese, some spicy hummus dip. This stuff is amazing with carrots. I got some bacon, some traditional carnitas. I don't know if that's how you say it. Something has leaked in there. It's all over me. Gross. What is that? Gross. Cucumbers, provolone cheese, grapes. I'm running out of room. Ew, something. I'm not entirely sure what busted in there, but something did. It's milky white. And it's sticky. This busted open. Yeah, it was this. This busted. Hey, at least it's just cheese. Last bag from Trader Joe's. I've got a bunch of stuff sitting here. Got some blueberries, strawberries. Mac, please move. Raspberries. Got some Greek yogurt. Sour cream. Dang it, I'm realizing I forgot cream cheese, but it's fine. Half and half. Briar's coffee. Heavy cream. Zucchini squash. Chicken and shaved steak. And that is all for Trader Joe's. Okay, I didn't end up moving all of it because I'm running out of counter space. I got so much stuff. So now I'll do Bruce's and Walmart both. I'll say which one's which. This one's Bruce's, and I just got some of these rolls. I'm gonna do like teeny tiny sliders for Pax one night, and then these hoagie rolls. I got some Swerve, 2 things of the Martha White chocolate chip muffin mix. These are my favorite, and I love to put the unflavored protein powder in these. So good. Oh, and I got this decorate kit for the cupcakes. And then last things I got from Bruce's, I got Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. I got sesame seeds, imitation crab meat, and rice vinegar. And then I went to Walmart. If that just doesn't tell you how my day is going, I don't know what is. I got 2 things of Fairlife chocolate milk. I also like to put protein powder in this and drink it. So good. It's like a chocolate milkshake. And then I got 2 things of the spicy Conecuh. Unfortunately, this is only sold in Alabama, but it's literally the best sausage ever. And I use it in my pasta, and I'm going to make pasta for myself this week. I got the Put Me in the Zoo book to go with his cupcakes. After I got frustrated, I found The Midnight Library, and I've been wanting to read it, so bought that too for myself. I got another thing of Funfetti mix because I realized as I was talking to my husband that I only got 1 protein pasta, 2 things of Skittles for the cupcakes, food coloring. I got 2 things of the Funfetti vanilla icing, and that's why I needed the coloring for it, because it needs to be yellow. And then also got some bananas. And that is everything. Oh, and I got Chipotle, which was right here. I'm going to eat after I get everything put up. It's always my least favorite part of going grocery shopping is having to put everything up. So I'm going to save you the viewing pleasure of watching me put things up because I think that's the most boring part and literally the part that I dread after every single grocery trip. I do always wash my fruits and veggies. So basically I just do like I stop up one side of the sink, fill it with water. I have the fruit in their regular containers. I just find that it's easier to wash them that way, and I just shove them down in there. And I use the Trader Joe's fruit and veggie wash. So I'll let these soak while I put some of the other things up that don't need to be washed, and then rinse them out, do the same thing with the veggies, and put them in containers. Don't pay attention to my sink. I have not felt like doing dishes. I'm going to have to do that too. So I will check back in after I swap everything out. I obviously didn't want to get ready this morning. I have been up since 4:45, I think, is when Pax woke me up, which is my nephew. So, I did not get ready yet. I look like a hot mess, which is fine. But my house is a disaster again after I just cleaned it yesterday. So I'm going to clean it again today. Right now, I'm about to mix the icing with the food coloring that I need to have for cupcakes for tomorrow. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean. I got a new vacuum cleaner yesterday. I'll show you that because I love it and it's amazing. But I was just going to update you on my appearance because it is not cute. I don't feel like getting ready right now. So I'm going to look like this probably for a while. I will check back with you in a little bit. This is the vacuum cleaner that I got yesterday. I picked it up from my local Walmart and I'm obsessed with it. Wish I just used it all day yesterday, but it's really good so far. And I think it's called the Bissell Cord Rewind Turbo Pet Eraser or something. I don't know. But I love this thing, and it comes with a ton of different attachments to use, which I think is awesome. So I'm going to clean up a little bit with this. I thought about pulling our bed out and cleaning behind it too. So let's get to doing that.
I'm not acting stupid, but being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it.
This is only from what I've done so far. Okay, let me get this lighting. There we go. All situated. Let me just wait until the lighting is like on this side, because you can't even like see my lips. Barely. I am going to reconnect with, oh man, why is this light going dark? There we go. I am going to reconnect with an old friend of mine. I haven't seen her in a really long time, and I'm super excited. We're gonna go eat at a local Japanese place. I'm so excited. This lighting is absolutely terrible, I'm sorry. But I got ready, and gonna go eat with her, hang out for a bit, kind of catch up. Yeah, I'm really excited. I don't have that many girlfriends. My friend Madison, I've been friends with her for years, probably like 7 years or so. This lighting literally sucks. What can I find? Okay, whatever. This top is from Princess Polly. This one's from H&M. I've just got on some jeans. I think they're Can, and then I have on some Nike tennis shoes. Does this hurt? Have on some Nikes. My sunglasses are Ray-Ban. Have my wedding rings, Apple Watch, and ring with my sister's ashes. She should be coming, so I'm going to get off here because I'm still a little embarrassed. Oh, and I have my hair in a claw clip. So, I don't know if you can see that, but okay, catch up with you later.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need you, I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need it, you light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need it. Weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. I'm weak for you, yeah, you, yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? For you, I'm weak for you. Weak for you, I'm weak for you.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, Words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. You just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. I know that I messed up. Wish I could take it back, but it doesn't matter when you look at me like that. I know that I fucked up, but that doesn't work as an excuse. Sorry doesn't cut it, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. Can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my side, babe. It's getting cold on the side where you used to sleep, so I get drunk, tangled up in these dirty sheets. I cannot live with myself if you call it quits. I'm gonna stay in this bed until you love me again. If you could just listen to what I have to say, a minute of your time, that's all I want, then I'm out of your way. Maybe I'm selfish for wanting what I want. It's all games till someone gets their heart broken, my love. I can only sleep with the TV on. Ever since you left, I'm going through the motions. I'm laying here looking at the door. Please come home, you belong by my
Okay. I ordered a bunch of athletic like workout clothes off of Amazon. All of them are supposed to be Lululemon dupes. 10 out of 10. Probably will never purchase Lululemon again because these are literally identical to Lululemon. Like they feel the exact same. So I am starting the Whitney Simmons Alive workouts today. I've got to go to the store real quick though, but I decided to go ahead and put on these clothes, so I'll be ready later. Don't mind my dirty mirror, there's like stuff all over it. So these are the, I think, Butterlux leggings in, I'll have to link it below. They're the Crazy Yoga brand, but they're Butterlux, and they feel, oh my gosh, they're amazing. They're so soft, perfect length for me. I am 5'3" for reference, and these are the 25-inch. And I love them. Like, I literally cannot get over them. I'll link this top. This is a sports bra top, and it's in the color Mellow Yellow. Also, the same brand. This is what the back looks like. I just liked these colors together. My tag is hanging out. This is what the back looks like. I just love these colors together. And then I'm wearing my Noble runners. I think these are in like a taupe color. I don't know. I've got a migraine. My head hurts. And obviously I have some sinus crud going on. But my hair is disgusting. So I put my Lululemon hat on. And then I'm just going to throw over this yellow Comfort Colors plain tee. Okay, now I've got the tee on. It's a little wrinkly, but I think it's fun. And I just love the colors, the yellow and the, like a dark, oh, you can't really even see it. It's like a teal, like a dark teal blue. I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna run some errands, gotta get dog food, gotta get some things from the store. My head is killing me. Gonna come back, gonna eat, gonna do a couple things. Then we'll start the Whitney Simmons Alive workouts. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming. We're outside, and here she is. Oh my God, I love her so much.
If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now